Understanding Final Fitting, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, final fitting. This term is commonly used in contexts like tailoring and event planning. Our goal is to help you understand its meaning and usage in everyday English. So, let's dive in. Final fitting is a compound noun, where final means the last in a series, and fitting refers to the process of adjusting something to match specific requirements. When combined, these words create a phrase used primarily in tailoring and fashion, implying the last session where adjustments are made to a garment before it's considered complete. In the tailoring world, final fitting is a crucial step. It's when a tailor ensures that a garment, like a suit or dress, perfectly fits the client. This step ensures comfort and a flattering appearance. In broader contexts, final fitting can refer to any last adjustments made to ensure perfection, like the last rehearsal before a play or the final touches to an event setup. To better understand, let's see some examples. 1. The bride has her final fitting for the wedding dress next week. 2. After the final fitting, the costume was ready for the performance. 3. The event planner scheduled a final fitting of the decorations at the venue. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. For final fitting, similar phrases include last adjustment, final touch-up, ultimate tailoring session. These terms can be used interchangeably depending on the context. That's a wrap on final fitting. We hope this video clarifies the term's meaning and usage. Remember, learning a new language involves understanding such nuanced phrases. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.